Hey, this is No Gas. Once again, you're ready to leave Bert's Black Oil Harley-Davidson down in Port Charlotte, Florida. Now, I know you've been hearing about this Saturday farmers market down in downtown Punta Gorda. Well, let me show you the way. Hey, this is No Gas. Thanks for dropping in. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'd like to invite you to come along with us as we ride to various motorcycle destinations in Southwest Florida and throughout the United States, sometimes solo, other times with friends. If you're a current subscriber, thank you. If not, please subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost a thing. Right now we're just riding around the building here, get back out on 776, and we'll take that east. Right here is 776. We're going to make a right-hand turn and head east. And then once we get up here a ways, we're going to make a right on Flamingo Boulevard and start heading south. Here's the route we're going to take today. If you take a look at the waters down below, the Mayaca River and the Peace River meet and pour their waters into the Charlotte Harbor, which then empties out into the Gulf of Mexico. We're turning here to head south right away and get closer to the water. There's a lot of water features along here that's really nice to look at. That's why I'm taking to this route. Okay, we're coming up on Edgewater Drive, and we're going to head east on that and start riding across a peninsula that the two rivers make by coming together. It's also called Punta Gorda in Spanish, which stands for Fat Point. And here we're coming up to a series of 4 roundabouts. We're going to enter one side and just go right through and exit out the other side. Alright, we're turning here on Bayshore Drive, and it runs right along Bayshore Live Oak Park, beautiful little park our county built for us. Up ahead is the recently built Sunseeker Resort. It just opened. It was built by the CTO from Allegiant Airlines, and this is the back side of it, but we're gonna go around here and ride right across the front of it. And now we're crossing over the Gilchrist Bridge. It's 2 lanes of US 41 southbound traffic. The bridge to the left of us there is the Baron Collier Bridge, which is in northbound lanes of US 41. Okay, we're going to make a left here on Retta Esplanade. I'll put that up on the screen so you can see how it's spelled. We're getting close, so we're going to make a right here on Marion and start looking for parking places. Hey, this is perfect. Right across the street from Leroy's Southern Kitchen and Bar. It's my favorite place to eat. So we're here, and we're going to take a walk up here and find the farmer's market. But like I said, over across the street there is Leroy's, and Leroy's is a really good place to go.
Salami, pepperoni.
Yes, sir. Can I get two of these?
Two of those?
Yeah, one ripe and one not so ripe. Is that,
Yes, sir. Anything else?
all right, no, that'll do it. Thank you.
$2.
Okay. What's your favorite?
I like the tangerine.
Yeah.
I like the salt palmetto is very good.
I was looking at that.
Want a little sample?
Sure.
So this is the thing. In Florida, they have this honey that's from a
This is good for the prostate, muscles and bones,
Really?
and any kind of inflammation. Is that a little camera?
It is, yeah. Is that okay? Okay. I think I'll get one of these.
See this little video?
Yeah. I'm on a motorcycle, so unless... This is an Insta360.
The Insta360s are good.
Yeah.
Probably a smart idea the way that's pretty.
what a great place this turned out to be. They had all local sourced honey from Punta Gorda, Florida here, and I think it was a father and son working the stand there. It was their place. So check them out.
Hey, look.